welcome to the social class. In today's class, let us discuss about that labor with pay and labor without pay. Yes, here also we are seeing that what is labor, what is the meaning of labor with pay? Is it? So, a person is accepting something, cash or any kind of the thing for his work is called labor with pay. In the sense, a person is accept the compensation for his work is called labor with pay. Yes, he can accept this compensation as a day, in a sense, then afterwards weekly or monthly, is it? So, or hours, according to hours. So, in a sense, according to the particular hours. So, how much hours he is working, that much money he will accept, and he get the compensation. Similarly, 1 month salary we are getting, then likewise wage for the week. So likewise, a person is accept anything for anything. It is a cash or any kind of thing is called labor with pay. What is the compensation? Compensation means he is providing his mental and physical. What is he is providing his mental and physical strength. For that purpose, he accepting something is called the compensation. For his work, he accepting something, cash or any kind of the thing is called what is compensation. Is here labor with pay. In the traditional ways, we can see that in the olden days, it is in the system of barter system. Already you learn about the barter system in the 8th standard. What is the barter system? Exchanging the goods for goods, is it? So, here also we can see that the people in the olden days, they are all, what is, we can see that labor with pay is there, but they are all exchanging themselves, is it? In the sense, they are all giving compensation in the name of things, is it? So on that time, when this money is not emerged on that period, this type of the barter system is practiced in the olden days. Understand? So they exchanging the goods, things, is it? They get the work, so for that work the people are giving some compensation like the jar, wheat, oilseeds, is it? So likewise, so this is also called the labor with pay. Understand this? Yes, labor with pay means a person is accept any compensation for his work. If it is the skilled, semi-skilled, physically or mentally, if anything it is, that is considered the labor with pay. Yes, here the garage workers, then afterwards the building construct laborers, then the teachers, in a sense assistant teachers, understand, the farmers. So these peoples are come under this, what is roadside traders, these peoples are come under the labor with pay. So those peoples are getting their compensation in the form of cash or any kind of things. Understand this? This is called what is labor with pay. Yes, what is the labor without pay? Is it? So a person, he is not accepting anything, any cash or anything for his mental and physical work is called labor without pay. In a sense, labor without compensation. He is not accepting cash or thing for his work is called what it is labor without pay. Labor without compensation also. Yes, for example, we can see that we are doing the work at the home, we are doing for the purpose of love. Is it? So, and also this is our responsibility. For that purpose, this is not considered as the, what is the labor without with pay. It is considered the labor without pay. What we are doing the work, further doing work at home, so that is not considered the labor with pay. Understand this? Similarly, here we can see that which are the examples for the labor without pay. Yes, here the school students are working as the scouts and guides. So they want to learn something. For that purpose, they are joined that and they working. So that is called what it is labor without pay. They are giving the service and themselves they are learning. Is it how to serve the society? They are learning that. Then they learning with, they are serving. This is called the labor without pay. Understand this? And similarly, here we can see that ITI students, then afterwards the nursing students. So, practically they want to learn something. For that purpose, at the last sem, they are going to practice in some factories and also some hospitals. They are working there, they giving service there, but they are not accepting any kind of compensation. This is called labor without pay. Understand this? Yes, here. Labor without pay ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತನ್ನ ದೈಹಿಕ ಅಥವಾ ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಶ್ರಮಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಏನನ್ನಾದ್ರೂ ಪ್ರತಿಫಲವಾಗಿ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಲೇಬರ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಪೇ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಲೇಬರ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಪೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ತಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಆ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಇನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಲೇಬರ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಪೇಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಗು ಸ್ಕೌಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಗೈಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಮಾಜ ಸೇವೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿರತವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಅವನು ಸಮಾಜ ಸೇವೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಅದನ್ನ ಅವನು ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕೌಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಅವಶ್ಯಕವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಲೇಬರ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಪೇ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ಸಮಾಜಮುಖಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸಗಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಕೂಡ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ITI ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮತ್ತೆ ನರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, BEd ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇವರು ತಾವು ಕಲಿತಾನೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ತಾವು ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ನರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮುಗಿತಾ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಅವರ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ITI ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, BEd ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಬೇರೆ ಶಾಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಬೋಧನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರ ತರಬೇತಿಗಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಹೌದಾ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಏನನ್ನ ಕಾಂಪೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರತಿಫಲವನ್ನ ಪಡೆಯದೇ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದೇ ಲೇಬರ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಪೇ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಚೀನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಲೇಬರ್ ವಿತ್ ಪೇ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಪೇ ಎರಡೂ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಲೇಬರ್ ವಿತ್ ಪೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಹೌದಾ, ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಸ್ತುಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ರತಿಫಲವಾಗಿ ಏನನ್ನಾದ್ರೂ ಪಡಿಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹಣ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದರ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ವಸ್ತುಗಳಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸೇವೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನಮ್ಮ ದೈಹಿಕ ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಶ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ದೈಹಿಕ ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಶ್ರಮ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಹಣ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ವಸ್ತು ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದನ್ನ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಲೇಬರ್ ವಿತ್ ಪೇ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಟ್? Yes, here the work of the woman at home is also considered as the labor without pay. So more burden handled by the woman at home, but she is not compensated by anything, is it? So she is doing that work because of love and care on her family. Understand this? But here she is doing the more work at home. This is considered as the labor without pay.